Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'll have one last tile left, coaster, so I want to do another blue and green one just to make them match the others. So I am going to do, I'll show you the colors as I do it, and I'm going to do a swipe, something a bit different. So this is some Glidden Premium. Okay. All right, so let's see. I got 2 greens and mostly the others, and 3 blues, I believe. I think I need a lighter blue. I'll use this light blue violet. It's a bluey violet color. All right, so I'm going to just drizzle this all over because I'm going to do a swipe. So that's light blue violet by Liquitex Basics. And I think I'll put green next. This one is metallic green by Artist Loft with a bit of phthalo green mixed in. It's a pretty green. Sometimes when you mix a couple of colors together, you end up with a really pretty color. Okay. Okay, let's put some greenish blue down. This is Amsterdam greenish blue. These are all mixed with my bloom pouring medium. I don't put a lot of that down, so I don't want to overdo it with the dark color. I probably already did, but anyway, I'll cut some yellowish green, or actually greenish yellow by Amsterdam. This will give it some contrast. And then the last one I have is Mermaid by this little piggy. I'm going to modify this swipe a little bit. Some people call it wrecking it, but we'll see. Okay, so I've got this nice little tool that I got from Tracy Reed. She sells these on Etsy. Mix up my cell activator. I have them in these nice little Lowly Leffy bottles that I have really got fingerprints everywhere on them. But that's what they look like. Great for my cell activator, keeps it airtight. All right. So I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna go, that should almost do the whole thing. Okay, let's see what we get. Whoa. Oh. Look at that, that's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. I pushed it a little hard there, but I'm gonna go over the sides a little bit. Okay. Oh, that's pretty nice. Now what I was going to do is take my skewer. I don't care, that's kind of indented, that might come off though. Just going to give it a little spin first. So that's pretty much off. I don't know whether I want to wreck this or not. Now I want to push this off here so I can tip it. One more spin might do it. Okay, so we got that off. That's good. You know what? I think I just like it just the way it is. No wrecking, no nothing. See if I can stretch it this way a bit. Love these cells here. Whoops, sorry, you're off camera a bit there. You know what? That's it. I like it just the way it is. Look at that. That's pretty. Very simple, very pretty. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody. I'll put the dried result at the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new one. Comment below, let me know what you think, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Everybody, this is very pretty. I love this little tile, or not tile, but coaster. Goes nicely with all my other ones. Yeah, 6 coasters that I need to resin. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.